So here we have a section through the cerebrum or cerebral part of the brain, which is routinely stained with H&E. Okay, so under low magnification, you can see that the outer layers containing your soma, neuronal soma, or cell bodies would constitute your gray matter. And then if you would go deeper, that is your white matter. They would contain the axons of the neurons located in the gray matter. Okay, so let's try to zoom in. And here you can see your multipolar neurons in terms of structure and in terms of function. They are most probably uh, interneurons. Okay, here, here. And of course, the substance in between your cells is what you call the neuropil. Okay, they are actually composed of the combined cellular processes and a little bit of extracellular matrix in between your nervous tissue cells. Okay, so here in this section, the processes or neurites of your neurons are not that evident, but other sections and preparations would have a more evident neurites. Okay, so we are now going deeper into the white matter, and as you can see, there are no more or not much of neurons, but instead you would have your nucleus of your oligodendrocytes in the white matter because they are the one giving rise to the myelination of the axons located in this area, which are these lines here, but it's very difficult to ascertain.